Yawning is contagious. When we see someone yawn, it triggers a brain response, releasing chemicals that make us yawn too. This response is linked to the brain's empathy centers. The brain's mirror neurons are activated, replicating the yawn, and around 50% of people yawn within 5 minutes of seeing someone else yawn. This is a sign of social bonding. Yawning is a universal language understood across cultures and is a key indicator of our ability to empathize with others. It shows we can connect with others on a primal level. So next time you yawn, now you know. Follow. Is yawning really contagious?